This dance is called Falling in Love. 32 count, 4 walls. There's a restart during wall 5 after 20 count. Let me show you the main dance. Starting with your right foot. Step your right to the side. Behind side cross. Behind side cross. Step right to the side. Rock back, recover, side shuffle. Section 1 again. Side, behind, side, cross, side, rock back, recover, side shuffle. Section 1 with the count. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 2. Cross right behind, left. Cross, side, cross shuffle on the right. Side, recover, behind, quarter, forward. Section 2 again. Cross, right behind, left. Cross, side, cross shuffle on the right. Side, rock recover, behind, quarter turn to your right, forward. Section 2 with a count. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 3, rocking chair. Rock, recover, back, recover. Diagonal touch, diagonal right, touch. Diagonal left, back, touch. So section 3, rocking chair. Rock, recover, back, recover. Diagonal touch, back, touch. Section 3 with a count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Last section, rock back, recover, forward shuffle. Rock back on right, recover, forward shuffle. Rock left forward, recover, back coaster. Last section, rock back on right, rock, recover, forward shuffle. Rock left forward, recover, back coaster. The last section with the count. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Let me go through the whole dance. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. In this dance, there is a restart during wall 5 after 20 count. Let me show you wall 5 facing 12 o'clock. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the end of 20 count during wall 5. And you do a restart here facing 3 o'clock.